Like sex in general, masturbation has gotten an ill reputation, which leads to secrecy, shame, and guilt around something so perfectly healthy and fun. But with education, people will feel empowered to come out of the masturbation closet and enjoy more self love and self pleasure. Hi, this is Dr. Tanji, the sex doctor, board certified clinical sexologist, and your source for all things sexual health and human sexuality. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I am glad you're here joining in the conversation. If you're returning, I am over the moon. Thank you. Let's continue to build a community that is not ashamed to talk openly and honestly about sex, that celebrates human sexuality, and that advocates for sexual health. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications button so we can keep growing and learning together. Masturbation has multiple health benefits, which I have talked about before, and contrary to all tales about masturbation in which the practice has been promoted as an activity for the perverse, those who lack morals and self-control, and the cause of many illnesses and even death, all that is absolutely not true. In fact, masturbation has a lot of health benefits, and here are some. It's a natural infection fighter. Masturbation helps prevent cervical infections and relieves urinary tract infections. During masturbation, the cervix opens and acidity increases, and also new fluid goes up, sending good bacteria to the cervix as old fluid comes out, flushing bad organisms. During urinary tract infections, masturbation relieves pain while the extra lubrication brings in good bacteria, which helps mitigate the infection. Masturbation strengthens your immune system. Research has found that masturbation increased the number of white blood cells and natural killer cells, both used by the immune system to fight infections. Masturbation is good for your heart. Masturbation improves cardiovascular health and lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes. Not only women who masturbate and orgasm often have partner sex more often and experience higher satisfaction with sex, they were shown in studies to have greater heart disease and type 2 diabetes protection. The same protective effects to the heart and against type 2 diabetes have been observed in men as well. Masturbation is a sleep aid. Masturbation helps with insomnia by releasing dopamine, the feel-good hormone, followed by the release of oxytocin and endorphins, which have a calming effect. Usually after an orgasm, you want to fall asleep, and if you can, you should. Masturbation is a good pelvic floor exercise. Masturbation strengthens the pelvic floor. The spasms produced during an orgasm lift the pelvic floor, and as the pelvic muscles get tighter, orgasms become stronger and more enjoyable for both men and women. Masturbation improves our mood. Dopamine and epinephrine, which rush through our bodies during sexual arousal, boost our moods. Masturbation is a stress reliever. Masturbation is pleasurable and relieves emotional stress and helps you cope with the stressors of the day. Masturbation leads to more love for ourselves. Masturbation nurtures our emotional and physical needs and increases our self-awareness. Masturbation makes relationships stronger. Masturbation can also help us strengthen our relationship with our partners. Sharing masturbation, teaching our partners how to satisfy us, or asking them to assist us to reach an orgasm through masturbation after intercourse can be very, very sexy. Masturbation is good for prostate health. Frequent masturbation among men decrease the risk of prostate cancer in men over 50. Frequent ejaculations have a protective effect on the prostate, so have the goal of ejaculating at least 21 times in a month for your protection. Be healthier, live happier, touch yourself more. Your body belongs to you. This is Dr. Tanji, the sex doctor, and I'll see you next time.